Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 16-inch 2021, and you can see the chip is M1 Max, and the RAM is 32 gigabytes, and you can see the storage is 1 terabyte. Also, you can see this is a battery information. The battery capacity is 92% and cycle count 228. And let me show you the graphics. Okay, you can see this graphics course as 32, and let me show you the CPU, and you can see the CPU on number is 10 core, and also the RAM is 32 gigabytes. Also, this is LL, means this is a US version, and you can see the keyboard no problem, and also the trackpad are also no problem, but this condition is not very good. Now let me show you. Later I will show you the screen no problem. You can see here a little dent here. It's on the logo surface. It's very obvious. So not condition not good, and you can see some little scratch here. And let me show you the ports. You can see the ports. Some scratches not beautiful, and you can see some little scratch here. Also the corner also some little scratch. You can see the edge. Okay, let me show you here also not beautiful. The other. Okay, here some scratches. You can see the ports. Okay, a little scratch you can see also here. And let me show you the back. Okay, you can see the back. Okay, let me show you you can see here, not beautiful, and the scratch is don't affect the performance, and but just looks like not beautiful. And let me show you the wallpaper. I changed the gray color. Now you can see it's no problem. The screen is okay. Just the dent and the scratches looks like not beautiful. Okay, this machine no problem. A powerful machine. And the dark gray also no problem. You can see no problem. And let me change the green. Okay, the green also no problem. And let me show you the specification one more time. And you can say a 16-inch 2021 M1 Max 32 gigabytes and 1 terabyte. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.